Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender can withdraw an appraisal order as it is in progress state. So I will guide you through each steps to withdraw and what happens after an appraisal order has been withdrawn. So as you can see that we are logged in as a lender user Neil Armstrong, and we are currently on the dashboard. There are two ways to navigate towards that specific appraisal order you want to withdraw. The first one is that on the dashboard you can see all the recent appraisal orders. So you can click any of this. As this one is in progress, we can click on this one and it will move us towards the appraisal orders. Or the second method is that we navigate towards the appraisal order from the menu bar, and it will navigate us to all the appraisal orders list, and from here we can choose the one that has been in progress. To withdraw an order, there is a condition. For withdraw project, we have to be at least the AMC has been paid for that specific appraisal order. So it's a case where the lender or the borrower says that they don't want to sell this property anymore. They don't want this property should be appraised by any appraiser. So for that case, we can withdraw the order, or any valid reason that you are going to withdraw an order. For that you can provide. So to do that, so we need to navigate towards this button that says withdraw order. When you click over here, we have to define a valid reason for that why we are withdrawing the order. As the reason has been defined, I will click on the confirm button and this project will be in withdrawn state. As I can see from the status updates that this project has been withdrawn, and the reason to is this is the reason. Or you can go towards appraisal list and you can see that this current project is now in the withdrawn state. So now what happens is that for this specific project, the AMC has to refund the amount they have got for this appraisal order. There could be a condition. If it was done before the appraiser has done an inspection, so there will be some amount that will be sent back to the lender. If the inspection has been not taken place yet, so they will be returned their full amount or whatever the condition is set by the AMC. Okay, now basically you have to wait for the operational admin to manually send back you the refund amount. So for this project where it shows withdrawn, you can move towards that project and see the status updates. It will show you that the manual refund is recorded by admin and what was the amount and what date and time refund was issued. It will be showing you all the details. So it will be paid you manually by the AMC system, and they will be record for the sake of records. They will send you and your status would be updated. So this is all for today's video. The case is that whenever a project is in an appraisal order has been withdrawn, so it will be revised by the AMC operational admin, and after that your refunded amount will be sent back to you, and it will be based on the conditions. And when it is sent back to you, it will be also recorded. For the sake of records, it will be saved in the system and you will receive a status update for that. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.